In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install YouTube as a standalone app on your computer using your web browser. This process will make accessing YouTube faster and more convenient, just like using any other app on your desktop. Whether you're using Brave, Chrome, or Edge, this guide will walk you through it step by step, ensuring you get it right the first time around. First, let's open up your web browser of choice. You can use Brave, Chrome, or Edge. These all work perfectly for this task. Make sure your browser is running smoothly and is up to date, which helps prevent any unexpected issues during the process. Once your browser is open, direct your attention to the address bar. That's the long bar at the top where web addresses are typed. Here, simply type in YouTube, and then hit the Enter key. This will take you directly to YouTube's homepage in just a moment. As YouTube loads up, shift your eyes over to the top right corner of your browser window. If you're using Brave, Chrome, or Edge, you should notice an icon that looks like a computer with a down arrow. This icon is your gateway to installing YouTube as an app. Go ahead and click on this Install YouTube icon. However, if you don't spot this icon immediately, don't worry. There's a quick alternative route you can use. Instead, click on the three vertical dots, often called the More Options menu, and then select the option that says Install YouTube. Once you initiate this step, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. This is essentially your browser confirming that you'd like to proceed with the installation. In this pop-up, you should see a button prominently labeled Install. Simply click on this button to finalize the process. It's as easy as that. With YouTube installed, you'll notice a new window opens. This window will feel familiar. It's like using YouTube in a browser, but it behaves as a standalone application. That's the beauty of this process. YouTube will now function just like any other app on your device, making it incredibly convenient. Plus, it's automatically given a place on your Start menu and on your desktop. This means that next time you want to dive into your favorite videos or discover new content, you can do so quickly without needing to open a web browser first. And there you have it. You've successfully installed YouTube as an app on your computer, giving you faster and more streamlined access to the platform. I hope you find this makes your video watching experience even more enjoyable and efficient. Thanks for following along, and happy watching.